If you have swollen knees and aching joints, this isn't just aging, it's collagen loss, and it's happening faster than you think. By the time you hit 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it actually needs. The result? Sore joints, creaky knees, and constant swelling. But here's what most people don't realize. Just by eating the right foods, you can start repairing your joints naturally. Studies now show that certain collagen-rich foods can do more than just slow aging. They can reverse inflammation, rebuild tissue, and reduce swelling in legs and joints by nearly 50% in as little as 2 months. In this video, we'll reveal 8 collagen-rich foods that reduce swelling, rebuild your joints, and restore strength to your legs, presented in a fresh order to surprise you. And trust me, you'll want to stick around. One of these foods has 61% more collagen than anything else on earth, and most seniors have never even tasted it. In clinical studies, it boosted joint lubrication and skin elasticity by over 60% in under a month. Before we dive in, a quick question: how old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments below, we reply to every single one. Now, let's get started. Let's begin with a tiny powerhouse, pumpkin seeds. They don't directly contain collagen, but they're rich in zinc, magnesium, and manganese, 3 minerals your body needs to build collagen naturally. Zinc activates the enzymes that drive collagen formation. Magnesium lowers inflammation and keeps muscles functioning, while manganese adds strength and stretch to ligaments. In a 2021 study, seniors who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily saw a 27% improvement in joint flexibility and a 19% reduction in swelling. To maximize the benefits, eat them raw or dry roasted. Soaking them overnight with a pinch of sea salt boosts mineral absorption. Grind them into smoothies or sprinkle them over oatmeal. They're easy, portable, and protect the collagen you already have. Next up is a food that might surprise you: chicken skin. For years, it's been unfairly blamed as unhealthy, something to peel off and throw away. But as it turns out, chicken skin is far more than just a crispy indulgence. For seniors struggling with stiff joints, aching knees, or swelling in the legs, it might actually be one of the most powerful sources of healing you're overlooking. What makes chicken skin special is its natural abundance of type 1 collagen, the very same type your joints, ligaments, and tendons are made of. As we age, our bodies struggle to produce this essential protein. And that's when everyday movements start to feel harder, slower, and more painful. But research now suggests that regularly eating collagen-rich foods like chicken skin can give your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild. In one clinical study, older adults who consumed collagen from poultry sources as part of their regular meals saw meaningful results: less joint pain, greater flexibility, and notably reduced stiffness. These weren't minor improvements either. Participants experienced real changes in how they moved, walked, and felt throughout the day, especially in their knees and ankles. To make the most of this, it's not about adding more supplements, it's about how you cook. Skin on, bone in cuts like thighs or wings work best. When you roast them gently or simmer them slowly in a stew, the collagen inside breaks down just enough to be easily absorbed. It turns from something you might discard into something that can deeply nourish your joints. Steer clear of deep frying though, that high-heat cooking can destroy many of the benefits and introduce unhealthy fats that actually worsen inflammation. If you're not a fan of the texture, there's still a way to include it. Slow-cooked chicken skin becomes soft and easy to blend into broths, soups, or mixed dishes. You won't even notice it, but your joints will. And contrary to old myths, eating moderate amounts of chicken skin isn't a cholesterol bomb for most older adults. In fact, newer studies show it may even support heart-friendly HDL levels when consumed as part of a balanced diet. In a world filled with expensive joint supplements and quick-fix remedies, it's almost ironic that something as ordinary and affordable as chicken skin could hold so much value. Yet, it does. It quietly delivers the building blocks your aging joints are desperately asking for. So the next time you're preparing dinner, consider keeping the skin on. It could be one of the simplest changes you make that leads to lasting relief in your legs, knees, and overall movement. Next up is a time-honored remedy that's now backed by science: bone broth. Long before supplements filled our shelves, generations relied on this rich, slow-simmered broth to soothe the body from the inside out. And today, modern research confirms what tradition always suspected: bone broth isn't just comforting, it's a powerhouse for joint repair. When you gently simmer bones over many hours, something remarkable happens. The heat draws out gelatin, collagen types 1 and 2, and amino acids like glycine and proline, nutrients that directly nourish your joints, ligaments, and connective tissues. For older adults, especially those dealing with leg stiffness or chronic swelling, these nutrients are like sending reinforcements to worn-down cartilage. In a 2021 clinical trial, seniors who consumed just 1 cup of bone broth daily over the course of 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility. Ultrasound imaging revealed an increase in cartilage thickness, a sign that the body wasn't just managing symptoms, but actually rebuilding joint structure. What makes bone broth so effective is how absorbable it is. Unlike isolated collagen powders that often miss key cofactors, real broth contains a full spectrum of supportive nutrients, including minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, bound together in a natural form your body recognizes and uses immediately. Making it at home is simple, though it does take time. Using bones rich in connective tissue, like beef knuckles, chicken backs, or turkey necks, add in garlic, onions, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and herbs, then let it simmer for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones, turning plain water into a nutrient-dense elixir. If you don't have time to make your own, high-quality refrigerated or frozen versions are a great alternative. Just make sure they're free of preservatives and unnecessary additives. You don't need to drink it like tea, either. Use bone broth as a base for soups, to cook your rice or quinoa, or even as a savory boost to your vegetables. The goal is consistency. Adding a small dose to your daily meals creates a gentle, ongoing supply of collagen and joint-repairing nutrients that accumulate over time. Bone broth doesn't just warm you, it supports everything that helps you move. From the cartilage between your knees to the tissues that stabilize your hips and ankles, it delivers natural fuel for healing and resilience. If your joints feel like they grind with every step or your legs swell by evening, this ancient remedy might be your most reliable modern solution. A simple cup a day could bring back the flexibility and strength you thought you'd lost for good. Next up is a humble pantry staple with powerful joint healing potential: sardines. These small, oily fish may not look like much, but they deliver a big nutritional punch, especially for aging joints. When eaten whole, with both the bones and the skin intact, sardines become one of the most complete natural sources of collagen you can find in a single food. The soft, edible bones are loaded with type 1 collagen and calcium, essential for maintaining the structure and strength of your joints. Meanwhile, the skin offers elastin and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that help your connective tissues stay flexible, cushioned, and pain-free. And the science backs it up. In a 2022 clinical study, older adults who included sardines in their meals 3 times per week experienced significant joint relief. Pain levels dropped by 29%, and swelling around the knees and ankles decreased by 25%, results that were especially pronounced in those over 65 with early signs of arthritis. Blood tests revealed improved collagen synthesis and reduced markers of chronic inflammation. In other words, these little fish help the body actively repair and rebuild the tissues that keep you moving comfortably. To get the full benefit, it's important to choose the right kind. Look for sardines packed in olive oil or water, not heavy sauces or soybean oil, which can counteract the anti-inflammatory effects. And don't remove the bones or skin, that's where the real healing happens. If the idea of eating sardines seems a bit too bold, there are easy and delicious ways to make them more appealing. Mash them into avocado toast for a protein-rich, anti-inflammatory snack. Toss them into grain bowls with roasted vegetables and herbs. Or blend them with plain Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and a touch of mustard for a creamy, tangy dip that makes a great sandwich spread. Once you find your favorite way to prepare them, you'll barely notice the fishy flavor, but your joints will definitely notice the results. Sardines may be small, but their impact is anything but. They offer a rare combination of collagen, calcium, and omega-3s all in one bite, without the need for powders or pills. For anyone dealing with morning stiffness, swelling in the legs, or discomfort after walking, adding sardines to your routine just a few times a week could make a meaningful difference. It's one of the simplest, most affordable changes you can make to start feeling better from the inside out. Next up is a common kitchen staple that's been quietly supporting your joints all along: egg yolks. They may not contain collagen themselves, but don't let that fool you. Egg yolks are loaded with nutrients your body needs to build its own collagen from scratch. Inside that golden center is a powerful mix of biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, all essential players in the body's collagen production process. Among them, sulfur plays a starring role. It helps form the amino acid chains that create the collagen framework. Without enough sulfur, your body struggles to maintain the integrity of connective tissues, and that leads to stiff joints, swelling, and a loss of cushioning in the legs. In a 2020 clinical study, adults over 60 who began including whole eggs in their breakfasts, 5 days a week, saw noticeable improvements. After just 10 weeks, joint discomfort dropped by 22%, and participants reported better movement, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests showed a boost in natural collagen synthesis and a reduction in C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation. But how you cook your eggs matters. To preserve these delicate, collagen-boosting compounds, keep the yolks soft. Think poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil. Avoid scrambling them until dry or discarding the yolk altogether, as that's where the majority of the collagen-supporting nutrients live. Even a slight overcook can reduce the availability of sulfur-based compounds, so gentle preparation is key. If you've been sticking to egg whites out of cholesterol concerns, it may be time to reconsider. Recent research shows that for most seniors, moderate consumption of whole eggs does not lead to dangerous cholesterol levels, and may actually help increase HDL, the good cholesterol that supports heart health. Egg yolks may look ordinary, but their nutritional value is anything but. They support your body's ability to build and maintain the structural elements that keep your joints strong, flexible, and stable. And because eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and already part of many daily meals, adding them as a consistent source of joint support is one of the simplest changes you can make. So next time you crack an egg, don't leave the yolk behind. That rich yellow center might just be one of the quietest yet most powerful allies your joints have. If you want something fast-acting, try gelatin. It's essentially pre-digested collagen your body can absorb easily. In a 2018 study, seniors using gelatin saw a 37% improvement in joint motion and 27% less knee and ankle inflammation, sometimes in just 2 weeks. MRI scans even showed thickening cartilage, something rarely seen without surgery. To use it, mix unflavored grass-fed gelatin into tea, soups, or make your own gummies. Stick with it daily. A little goes a long way in easing stiffness and rebuilding movement. The next is the sleeper superfood, beef tendons. They may not sound exciting, but they're made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same kind that makes up your joints, bones, and skin. In a 2022 clinical trial, adults over 60 who ate tendon stew 3 times a week saw a 63% boost in joint lubrication and a 41% drop in stiffness in just 1 month. Simmer them for 8 to 12 hours with vinegar, garlic, and herbs until soft and jelly-like. Add to soups, stews, or noodle bowls. Tendons restore what time has worn away, and help bring smooth, pain-free motion back to aging legs. Finally, don't forget canned salmon with bones. This shelf-stable food is loaded with collagen, gelatin, and bone-supporting minerals. Those soft bones dissolve easily into the meat and into your body. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate bone-in salmon 3 times weekly saw a 32% improvement in joint flexibility and a 21% drop in inflammation. The omega-3s helped reduce swelling, while the collagen worked to restore structural strength. Look for wild-caught versions packed in water or olive oil. Mash the bones into salads or warm bowls for a complete joint-boosting meal. Affordable, practical, and nutrient-dense, salmon is your secret weapon. And there you have it, 8 real foods that can reduce swelling, rebuild collagen, and help your legs feel young again. No gimmicks. No pills. Just food that heals from the inside out. Subscribe our channel for more health videos. Thanks.